Alright, so previous episode we did the tic-tac-toe tutorial, and now we are going to go through thinking in React. Actually I made a mistake here. But I cannot fix it anyway. So, thinking in React. React can change how you think about the designs you look at and the apps you build. When you build a user interface with React, you will first break it apart into pieces called components, and then you will describe the different visual states for each of your components. Finally, you will connect your components together so that the data flows through them. Okay. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the thought process of building a searchable product data table with React. Start with the mockup. I wish we had the code for it. So this is just some data. Mockup looks like this, okay. So I don't know if I should actually do that now. Same 5 step. Component hierarchy. Programming, okay, CSS design, blah blah. Five components. Table, search bar, product category, product. Okay. Product table, search bar, product table, filter up product table, search bar, okay. Simple enough. Static version, okay. You can build either top down or bottom up. Okay, so basically we get all the code here. I think we have to copy paste the code now that we've done the tutorial once. Okay. Oh, there is an index. Okay. Interesting. Oh, maybe the correct thing to do actually is not to do that, but to do this and perform the download again. For B. Okay, we are back. Okay, well, I guess the stream can get interrupted and restarted automatically. That's cool. I wish I knew what the install is doing. I believe what it does, it's looking at the package JSON and it's getting all this React dev and the dependencies. I'm installing browsers, but I don't want to have browsers, so I copy this file. So oh no, wait. The env is, oh no, I moved it. Okay. So when I did env, this did not move. Interesting. Okay. The env did not move. So okay. And now oh, I didn't delete it. Okay, I'm good now. So what we have is this. I probably don't need this now. We should have the app here. Okay. Already have some code. So I could probably do aha. Wait, what? Ah, it's producing logs now. Oh, okay. How many logs do you have? Oh my god. Okay. know. Oh my god. So annoying. Alright. Can delete this. Alright, we have the products now. Maybe I should check the code first. So we have category row, that takes a category, then a product row, a span, color red. Okay. That's a table row, okay. Product table, so should be a... Wait, what? Oh, there's a for each here. There's also not equal here. Push is append. And I must put the key. I don't understand why we have a if. If the category is different than the last, I push. A new row. Ah, okay, I push a new row. And then I push a product. Okay. And then I return the table. A search bar. Okay. Product table at the top. Why is not default here? And the project. Oh, the default is here. It's the app. Okay. Alright. So we already have all of this, so we don't need to worry about it. At this point you should not be using any states. That's for the next step. Okay. So we just want to show this in static. So the data flow is products that is passed down to this, and then it's building the search bar and then the table. The table has the products, and for each product we put category row and product row. Simple enough. Does it remain unchanged? It's not state. Is it passed in from a parent via props? It's not state. Can you compute it based on existing state or props? If so, it is not state. What's left is probably state. I wonder what's the name props. Where did they invent it? The value of a checkbox seems to be state since it changes over time and can be computed from anything. The filtered list of products isn't state because it can be computed by taking the original list and filtering it. Only the search text and the value of the checkbox are state. Okay, so knowing what is state and what isn't state is going to be a nightmare. Props are arguments. I figured that out already. State is like, okay, it's a private data from for a component. One-way data flow. Decide where the state should live. But it's easy, it's always in the parent. If it must be shared, it must be in the parent, otherwise the component itself for this state. Use state, okay. Filter text in stock only. Okay, I need to fix this because set this equal to no. Why not? Oh, expand tab, okay. Okay. Alright, I got it. Const. I think that's correct. Oh, okay, I have a use state, you know, so. pass them as props in the search bar. Products and the same thing. You provided a value prop to a form field without unchange. This will render read-only field. If the field should be mutable, use default value, otherwise it's unchange or read-only. Check, blah blah, same thing. Oh, I need to import your state. Serious? Yes. No error. Wait, what? It worked actually. These are the fruits. Oh no! I didn't check the data actually, it's not filtered. Yeah, it stays read-only or something. I don't see the message. Where would I see the message? In the console, I should see this. Is it here? don't see anything. Wait, this page is using the development build of React. Note that the development build is not suitable, blah blah. Okay. Developer tools, component profiler. Developer tools, component and profiler will appear to the right. But they're already here. Components and the profiler is here. Is there another way to display this guy? That's not the best. What is this? Responsive design. A separate window would be better. Not obvious. I can read out to the bottom. Okay. Problem is, I didn't see any message. So I don't know what to do about this. Maybe the message is only in the sandbox. I cannot see it with my tools. Inverse data flow. Is it the end already of the tutorial? Wow. On filter text change. I don't think I understand anything they're saying. This is just specific to their framework, so... Oh, I'm passing in a function. Okay. That's the difference. Okay. What is this? A target value. Event target value. Wow. With inputs? Oh yes. Inside the checkbox? And inside the text. Oh, okay. But each takes something different. It's unchanged. Okay. It should be like this. Take the event and then pass it to something. It takes a value, something like this, I think. Oh, it's target, not text. Okay, so think that's okay. Compiler seems happy. Now the application works. Are you sure about that? Doesn't seem to work from what I see. It doesn't work. You can learn all about adding events and updating state in adding interactivity, where to go. This is a brief introduction to how to think about building applications and components with React, blah blah. Start a React project or div that, all the syntax, all the tutorial. Okay. Then there are other chapters here. You have to go through everything. If I click here, yes, it's filtered, okay. Okay, that works dynamically. Okay. Mine does not work. Not at all. How do I debug the data flow? Okay. In stock only, on filter section set use state product table text. Oh, I modified the search bar, but I don't think I changed anything else. I don't think this is complete. It's showing me only this, but and saying it works, but it shouldn't. Value equal filter text. What? Form input. Return div. Right. We have to read the code line by line because the way they present it, I cannot see why my example doesn't work. So this is good. this is good too, I think. And as usual, they're completely messing up the order of things. So this is top. Product category row. It's there. Should have a product row afterwards. Yeah. Product table. Last category null. Name, price, blah blah. I don't have a value here. That's what I was wondering. And checked. Okay. So the state of the component in HTML wasn't set. Maybe it's going to behave a little bit better now. Still doesn't work. Oh, it doesn't uncheck now. Oh, it is checked. This is so obscure. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, now it's changing. But it's not updating when I type something. And the products at the end with the default. In the second example, skipping many things. Tic-tac-toe you could follow, but this one it's not that bad. I used WPF before, but WPF is two-way data binding. This is quite different. functions and lambdas everywhere. I have no way to tell why or where something is not working. Oh, that should affect the rendering. Okay. So you're telling me when this product table receives the filter text, where is it used? It's not used. That's why it doesn't filter. How can you filter? Something is wrong about the table. It's not using the props. Product name to lowercase index of filter text to lowercase. Whoa, okay. So that's where the filtering happens. Oh, okay. Product. What do I have? I have a category filter. An in-stock filter. Okay. Okay, so that should be it. Oh, it's stocked. Yes, the boolean is stocked here. That should improve it. And now it works. I was able to figure out that the product table wasn't filtering. And their example is bad because I don't see where that code was added. They focus on a bunch of crap, but nowhere do you see oh, there it is. It's already there. Did I miss it? I don't think I did. Yeah, they didn't highlight the implementation of the filtering behavior. This stuff. They didn't highlight it, that this code was added. I'm going to try to copy it. It's not going to work because I didn't start JVim, I used Vim. I cannot paste it. Yeah, it doesn't work. I have to type it. I think it's like this. So this means if it does not find it, return, because okay, example is finished. So I didn't quite get this with the -1. Oh, okay, if it does not find the filter text inside the product name, it returns. Okay. So now we are done with this example. Thinking in React. So, do I do this next episode? I mean, 1 hour is fine, I think. Yeah, next episode I will check installation setup and the compiler. And then we are going to try to do the other chapters. Because it's like 2 AM, I could not sleep, so I did a little bit of work, but that's it for me now. If you watch this video to the end, please like, subscribe,